Hey, it's Greg Luther here, and listen, this is a really cool topic for real estate agents because we're going to talk about the fact that most agents only become as successful as they need to be, not as successful as they want to be. And this is a very important topic because I see far too often agents are just grinding it out year after year, pretty much same production. One year might be a little bit better or a little bit worse than the year before. And the fact is, they're simply surrounding themselves with the wrong type of people. And I want to explain to you what I mean by that. So if you don't surround yourself with those that are going to push you, that want to see you do well, that want to see you do better, you're going to struggle. And I think it's going to be a continuous problem for you. What you have to do is get around people who will tell you that you can do better, you can do more, and not deal with those that say enough is enough, right? So what we find is that they'll start to say, why do you need more ambition? You've got enough. When is enough enough? And that's a big issue because you're surrounding yourself with the wrong type of people. You'll find that those that aren't doing well will say, what, do you think you're better than us? Why do you keep doing better? You have to surround yourself with mastermind type individuals that want to see you do well. As a matter of fact, today we have a brand new training that we're just releasing here later this afternoon. I don't even have the link for it yet. Those of you that are following this page and like the videos and that type of thing, if you have your notifications turned on, you're going to know about it. But it's going to be about surrounding yourself with the right type of people. So what you'll find is, as soon as you start to become successful, some of the people that you surround yourself with, they're not going to be as happy as you would like them to be, that you are doing well. You need to be around people that will say, oh my gosh, how are you doing that? Show me what you're doing. I'd like to show you what I'm doing. Let's see if we can keep pushing each other forward. Because even if you're doing really well right now, you don't have enough money put back for retirement. You need to be making 3, 4, 5 times what your monthly bills are so that you can sock away money. You can't make double what your monthly bills are. Because if you sock that money away for 5 years, you can only retire for 5 years. So you have to surround yourself with people that will inspire you to become as successful as you want to be, rather than as successful as you need to be. Hopefully that makes sense for you. So you can see a link here in the description somewhere for getfastclosings.com, which is an awesome training class that will help you out. You can watch it on demand. But we do have a brand new training coming out today. I've been talking about it for a few days. It will be released today, and those of you that are following the page are going to know about it. So make sure you're following the page here and you have notifications turned on. I'm going live a little bit later today, and I'll give you a link so you can get some awesome information on getting immediate closings for yourself. So I think you'll find that very helpful. But again, surround yourself with the right type of people. I'm watching out of my side eye over here because Amazon's here, and I know my dog's going to freak out while I'm live. So I think I'm going to beat him to the door here. So hopefully that's inspiring for you. I want you to get out there and sell some houses, but surround yourself with the right type of people that will inspire you to go the right way. Not those that are going to discourage you or have some funny feelings about success. Hopefully that's helpful for you. Again, check out getfastclosings.com, but we do have an awesome training. Actually, I just got the email with the domain name, so this should be ready here very soon, and I think it's going to help you tremendously in getting some fast closings. So make sure you're following the page, notifications turned on. Go out and sell some houses. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do. But you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.